Welcome back, everybody. Check out this deer. He looks kind of unhealthy. You can see his ribs. And funny thing is, we saw him earlier this day right outside our kitchen window, and he hung out there all day. He didn't even seem to have enough energy to jump over a fence. So we were kind of worried that he would die during the night, but thankfully he didn't. We caught him on the trail cam right here at 4:32 a.m. and we don't know where he is now, but he was alive last time we saw him. But check out his horns. That is a nice set of horns. The buck deer lose their horns during the winter time, so hopefully we can find these horns somewhere close by. But you can really see his ribs, and he doesn't look as healthy as the other deer do. So just wondering, why does he look like that? Does he have a disease, or is he just old? In the next clips, I moved the camera to a new place, just a few yards away from where this deer was taken. And as you can see in the next clip, that we saw a pheasant. Actually, we saw several different pheasants in the following clips, and a lot of cute little snowbirds. We have a lot of the Oregon juncos around right now, and also the white crowned sparrows. And we've been feeding them grain outside our kitchen window. So that's been kind of fun to see the little birds and quail and pheasants. So hope you enjoy watching these birds coming up. See that pheasant up at the top on the left behind that stump? Oh, you missed him. Watch at the top in the middle. You will see rooster coming down the hill. And it makes me wonder what set off the video camera before we saw rooster. So that's still a mystery. Join me in this video at the end to see my first trail cam video. Please subscribe if you want to be alerted to more nature videos, and press that like button. Thank you for watching.